are going to love the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, compass, heated steering wheel, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, front all-weather floor mats, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.